Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Wash and completely dry the area where the strip adheres because moisture or oils break the bond. Once dry, open one packet and peel the backing slowly. Do not touch adhesive. Place the strip centered over your philtrum and press from the middle outward so edges seal. Make sure nasal passages are clear of mucus. Hold for 10 seconds to seat the strip, then relax and breathe gently to confirm it feels secure before moving to the next steps. Once the strip is secured, smooth both edges outward to remove any microbubbles and to ensure full contact. Avoid pulling the strip tight, which can create gaps. You should then breathe normally for at least 5 minutes so the adhesive fully sets and the active ingredients begin working. Make small head movements and rotate gently to test adhesion. If it lifts, press again and hold for another 10 seconds. These actions optimize seal and comfort, which is why they matter. To finish, keep the strip on for the recommended period, typically overnight or about 8 to 10 hours, because sustained contact gives the active components time to restore normal airflow. When removing, do it slowly from one side toward the center. Use warm water or mild cleanser if any adhesive remains. If you experience irritation, redness, or breathing difficulty, remove immediately and stop use. Try a different placement or size next session. One key troubleshooting tip. If adhesion
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.